This is a skein of yarn. Now, this yarn does not come like this in a ball. It usually comes in a long package with a little paper around the middle, but I take it apart and roll it into a ball myself before I start because I find it easier. So I'm going to lay it on my side. I usually have a bag that I crochet out of to keep it clean. Now the first thing we're doing is a slip stitch, and I take it around my 2 fingers and I push the little piece up, grab it with the hook, and you pull it down. Did you get that? That's a slip stitch. I'm going to do it one more time just to be sure. See how easy that comes out? You take it, take your thumb, push it up, grab where your thumb pushed up, pull it. Don't knot it, because if you make a mistake, it'll come out much easier as long as you don't knot it. So now I'm going to take the long piece that's on the ball, and we're going to start the chain. I'm using a J hook because we want when you're starting, you want these loose. Now when you're making baby things or something down the road, you can use any size hook that the pattern calls for. But when you're learning, it's easier if you make your chains loose. That was my first stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what I'm doing is I'm grabbing the yarn and pulling it through. That is a chain. 5. Grabbing the yarn and pulling it through. That's 6. Grabbing the yarn and pulling it through. That's 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going to use a 10 chain to kind of show how to do this single crochet. And in order to keep it 10 chains, you've got to have a turning stitch. And so now we're going to put the turning stitch on, and then we're going to go back now, and you're going to go into, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You skip that first stitch and you go in this one. Second stitch from the hook should be 1. And what I did is you go through, let me do that again. We're going to go in that second loop from the hook, and then you pull the yarn through. You're going to have 2 little loops on the hook. You're going to pull the yarn through again. That is a single crochet. And now we're going to go again. We're going to pull the yarn through. So now we've got 2 loops on the hook. You wrap the yarn around, pull it through again, both of the little loops, and that is a single crochet. That's 2. We're going to do it again, pull it through. You got 2 on the hook, pull it through, both of them, single crochet. Pull it through, loop it around and pull it through. You've got the 2, loop it, pull it through, another single crochet, push it through, pull that loop in there where you've got 2, loop it around, there's your single crochet. You go in, pull it through, you've got 2 loops, put it around the hook again. At one time you have 3, but that third one is you take it through the 2, and that is your single crochet. We're going to pull it through. We've got 2 loops, hook it around, see the 3, go through, we've got a single crochet. Now I'm going to go through again. Can you pause that for a minute?